Hello, family and friends. Now that the craziness and the brightness and the fun of Halloween's over, I'm getting ready for Thanksgiving, and I find that I really like the more earthy, natural tones for Thanksgiving. And I had a grapevine wreath that I thought I would use, and I did buy this at the dollar store. And then I dehydrated oranges and grapefruits. And I also dehydrated apples and pears. So I'm going to put together this wreath and we'll see how it turns out. Now this is actually a stand. You can see the base on the bottom of it. And I did take my heat gun and I would heat the front and the back, and I just went back and forth because you don't want it to be on there too long or you'll burn it. And I did it long enough to soften the glue, and then it was really easy to pull off. So I want to glue this on here off to the side, and I'm just gonna figure it out as we go. That's what you do. I'm going to put this on here first. And then I'm going to build around it. Give the glue a minute to set up. And then I have these fake eucalyptus leaves I actually got from the dollar store. Oh no, I think I got these at Michael's. Most of my stuff comes from the dollar store, but every now and then I want something with a nicer quality to it. So I think these were actually from the dollar store, or from Michael's. All right, let's just see what we can do here. So I'm just poking the leaves in to the branch. I'm just going to give it a little bit of glue to hold things in place. And I think I'm going to use the dried fruit in this area. And I made this bow, and I'm thinking maybe the bow can go up top here. Just simple. Let's see. Glue this in place. And I think I'm going to start with the grapefruit. And I dried the grapefruit in a dehydrator. And you can actually dry fruit in your oven if you want to. That works. Glue stick. think I'm going to add some oranges now. I wonder if I should do the apple, then the orange. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Just kind of hold it in place a little bit. I've been asked to make my videos a little bit longer, so I'm trying something new, and instead of doing the voiceover, I'm just gonna talk and record as I go. We'll see if I can actually do that. All right, I'm adding in the oranges now. You have to hold it for a couple seconds so it'll sort of set in place. And the last, well, let me hold a little bit longer. I'm trying to learn about dehydration and preserving food. And what a fun way to begin with a craft, you know, because I can make all my mistakes and it's not gonna hurt anything. But I think learning food preservation is gonna be very beneficial here. Okay, and I'm gonna end with the pears. I like the shape of the pears. You almost can't even see the eucalyptus leaves, so I'll pull some off and stick them in there. But I love the branch, how they stayed on the pear and on the apple. And the shape, you can tell what it is. So let me just get these glued on. Also have, these were kind of cool looking. We'll see if maybe I need to add a little bit of color. A little different texture. Cool. And the nice thing is you can pull the leaves off here, split them in two, just put a little bit of glue on the back and put them wherever you want a leaf to be sticking out. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. just here and there. Pull it apart. That looks a little better. The back side, a little bit of glue. And then just stick it in where you see fit that it needs to be. I think I need to glue that down just a little bit better. See, maybe I should add these up top. I'm going to shorten them down a little bit. Let's see how this goes. If I can get it down in there. Just kind of got to take your time, work it in. A little dab of glue when you get it there. Let's see. Up and over a little. Just glue this in place right here. Now I will tell you, this bow came off of a hat. We had a birthday party for Sue. She turned 80. And she's a horsewoman. Was barrel racing up until she was in her 70s. And we had a Kentucky Derby themed horse race and party decorations. It was a lot of fun. So I just pulled the bow off my hat and I'm going to use it on the wreath because the colors were perfect. And there it is, folks. This is gonna be my wreath for fall. And look how quick and easy and simple that was. Let's see if I can get that all in there so you can see it. Glue this back a little bit further. So that's it. Isn't that cool? I love this. I think that is so neat. I'm gonna start playing around more with dehydrated fruit and vegetables and see what I can come up with. But thank you so much for joining me on this new way of recording, and have a gorgeous day every day. Bye.